significance number 3. So you can do this for as many symptoms as there are.
I think that data management is the heart of any research, and the impact it's going to have on health and policy and practice depends really on the quality of the data, making sure the right data is captured in the right way.
I think some of the things that are coming up is that most people have been working in their various areas and doing their things well, but they might not have been aware of what the transitions that are taking place globally around data management and the issues that are arising and some of the things that are coming up. And I think technology is driving us into a position where none of us is going to be an island. Getting people together who are working in the same area to start knowing one another and start discussing how do we share data, what do we need to use it for, how good should it be.
So in the research process, the protocol is probably the most important step. Start off with a clearly defined research question, why we're doing it, who we're doing it on, and when we're going to do it.
I think on the aspect of data management, where we have been taken through the different tools, especially RedCap, that has been extremely and the most striking to me, because that's one tool that I had never heard of, and that I think will make a difference in the way I'm going to handle my research and my data management, as well as probably contribute to the different projects that I'll be working on.
Bringing some more details and granularity on the data which has been captured. The downside of that is that it's costly. It takes time to re-standardize the data, it takes time to engage the community, it takes time to convince everybody to share the data, and we'll come back to that. It takes time to actually make sure that you do that in a context and in a framework which is acceptable for the patients, the community, and the authorities.
I've been dealing in my university with hospital records which are kept in files, and so I've been struggling with knowing how I can translate the hospital files that are paper files into a database that we can constantly be referring to and that can be in constant use. And this database can be connected to the referral hospital in Kitui County and to the university, so that we can be able to carry out more research.
I thank the organizers of this workshop because we are in need of improving our capabilities to manage data for scholarly research. The culture of data sharing among scholars is new, and this opportunity opens horizons to us to use data to inform health policies, particularly in the fight against poverty-related disease.